Outstanding example 23-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak finished in a moondust silver metallic with full black leather upholstery. Covered 14,322 miles and has just been serviced. Fitted with 2,566 pounds worth of optional extras to include. Factory-fitted roll top cover with spray and bed liner, 18-inch alloy wheels, Raptor front grille giving a powerful stance and aggressive exterior presence. Supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 21st of June 2026. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days. Front and rear parking sensors, along with rear camera to make those difficult maneuvers easier. Advanced four-wheel drive system, with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.